Hi. In this video, we'll learn how to import a character from Player Me into Plask and apply animations correctly. On the Player Me website, you can easily create a character by choosing all its components. Once it's ready, simply export your creation. We are also going to download this free plugin for Blender. In the video description, you'll find all the download links. We install the plugin in Blender, then we import the character. We visualize all its bones, its pose, and delete any keyframes if there are any. Now, we are going to adjust the character's pose to the T-pose. After this, we can use the plugin to apply that pose, and then we will export the character in GLB format. Now you can import the character and apply any animations you've extracted from a video.